Does your desktop always show the Learn About This Picture icon, even though you never added it and don't actually want it there? In this video, I'll show you how to completely remove this icon from your Windows 11 desktop in just a few simple steps. First, open the search box on your taskbar, then type Registry Editor to find the Windows Registry tool. When the Registry Editor icon appears, select Run as Administrator to open it with administrative privileges. In the Registry Editor window, paste the path I've prepared into the address bar at the top. Then press Enter to quickly navigate to the NewStartPanel key. On the right side of the NewStartPanel key, right-click on an empty area, then choose New Right Pointing Arrow DWORD 32-bit value to create a new value. After creating it, rename the value to the name I've prepared. I've placed the exact name in the video description below, so you can simply copy and paste it to make sure it's correct. Next, right-click the value you just created and select Modi. Then, in the Value Data box, change the value to 1 and click OK to save it. Finally, double-check the name and value of the key you just created. If everything looks correct, you can close and exit the Registry Editor window. Now, refresh your desktop. You should see that the Learn About This Picture icon has disappeared from your screen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you clean up your desktop successfully. See you in the next videos.